what does the term manipulation mean? I've been thinking about this because I find myself in the last couple of months talking a lot with people about manipulation, about pointing out to myself and to other people when we are inadvertently manipulating others. And we do that all the time. I mean, you might prefer to use a less kind of a negative term, like, say, influencing other people. But the truth is that what we're doing is we're manipulating people. We have an understanding that we have in our heads that we want to transfer to another person. And when I first started talking about this, I was kind of upset. I was thinking we need to be more authentic. We need to manipulate less. So I wanted to point it out so that we could do less of it. And there's definitely a component to that I think is true. We want to, in many contexts, we want to manipulate less. And I had a thought just now, which is that manipulation also means something else, which is my sister is an osteopath, and osteopaths use the word manipulation to refer to the treatment that they give their patients, which is using their hands. They can feel issues in the body, in the back especially, and the spinal cord. Osteopaths deal a lot with the nervous system, and through this manipulation of the body, they can treat the patients and resolve pain and all sorts of things. So in that context, manipulation is a purely positive thing. It means to exert an influence over or to create a change in the body through affecting it somehow. So manipulation in that sense is really just to affect something. So if we think about it that way, it actually makes it clear what the issue is, which is that whenever we affect something, we should do so responsibly. Affecting things is not bad. In fact, it can be very good. But if we do it without thinking about it, without consciousness, the outcomes can be negative. And Sam Harris talks about this also in his book Lying, where he says that the problem with lying isn't that it's just wrong, in this sort of moralistic sense, but it's wrong for a specific reason, which is that it has negative outcomes that are often unintended and unanticipated, which are that if you lie to someone, you damage their model of the world, you damage their understanding of reality, and that then can come back to bite you. And of course it's negative for that person, but it's also negative for yourself. So this is, that's just the thought I've been thinking about. Manipulation must be done with awareness. All right, I'll talk to you next time.